Starting right now, smoke on, Bill Stein.
Engines on the front.
This man has got serious flying experience. Over 5,000 hours of aerobatic and formation flight. Maybe Chuck Dramamine could take some lessons from him. Look at how he takes that thing up. Uses a combination of stick, rudder, and engine rotation. Beautiful, isn't it, Roseanne?
Absolutely beautiful. Now, what is it that causes the color change?
It is a special paint scheme that Bill has on his plane. If you watch it right now, you'll see it change color as he pulls up and as the light angle changes on the airplane.
That was expensive.
Bill's been performing at air shows since 1995 all across the United States. He's entertained millions of fans. He has a passion for precision flying. It's evident his dad's plane air show routine, as you see. He don't do this just by going out and flying air shows. You train every day, and that's what Bill does, so his skills stay razor sharp. He maintains the all-out energy and excitement he puts into his air show sequence as he comes across show center once again. Now, I'll tell you what, you don't get to fly that close to the ground either unless you've got a lot of air shows and a lot of experience, and you have been checked out by an aerobatic competency evaluator from ICAS in coordination with the FAA. Look at that flat spin coming down. Bill is in fact an instructor. He mentors new air show pilots. He coaches Stars of Tomorrow team. He carries a commercial pilot certificate, multi-engine, single-engine instrument ratings. You'll love this one. He has flown with the Aaron Pizza Company.
Well, that's all of a sudden I was going to say, oh, pizza, yum.
Yes, indeed. And he flies one of your favorite airplanes, the Boeing Stearman.
It is, yes. That is one of my favorites, and yes, he does.
As he comes on down, once again, you can hear the sound of the pitch of the prop. As the angle of attack of that prop changes, now that is, again, the combination of forces. There may be as many as 20 to 30 control inputs as he does that upline maneuver. Hardest maneuver of all, straight and level. He won't be able to do that for very long. Yeah, you just let the airplane rotate around the engine to get that sort of sideways thing. I just didn't think airplanes could do that. Have you ever done that in an airplane, Roseanne?
No, nor have I ridden in one that's done it. You know what's so interesting about Bill, too? In person, he's a very low-key person, and then this flamboyancy comes out, the colors and the precision in the movement.
He is the winner of the Sword of Excellence from the International Council of Air Shows. That award is given for his service to the air show community, and corkscrewing up. Different pilots have different names for the routine, but basically you just go up and use your control surfaces, and again, a aerobatic pilot will start out with a restriction that requires him to stay up above 1,000 feet until he gets some experience, gets evaluated. Then they'll slowly work their way down to 800, 500, maybe 200, then unlimited.
Yep.
And Bill, of course, is unlimited. You see him coming down very close to the ground. All of our pilots here today. Look at that slow roll, the chameleon roll. You can see the color change once again.
Wow. A little extra roll. Boy, and that smoke certainly helps, doesn't it? Give you an idea of the movement that he's doing.
Right back down through his own smoke. Across Airshow Center at over 200 knots. Now these you'll roll one way, yaw the other way. Nice slow rolls up the top, showing that he can control this thing through a slow. In some ways, as you pilots know, it may be almost easier to do those quick rolls than the slow rolls. It takes much more precision.
You don't have that momentum that you do with the quick.
Well, and you also have to have precise control of controlling your roll rate.
Yes.
You do a snap roll or a high-speed roll, you just crank it over, put the rudder in the right place, and let the plane keep moving. With a slow roll or a point roll, you've got to be very precise about how you perform the maneuver. Here he comes across inverted.
Of course, so many people.
Then he does his Harrier pass. Just hanging up there, hanging up there. I mean, who knew an airplane could fly without using the wings? This is what the student said to us during rehearsal yesterday. It's a helicopter. The smoke, puffing the smoke a little bit. That smoke, by the way, is a non-toxic, non-polluting paraffin oil.
Which is good to know.
It's good to know it is not doing any harm to the beautiful, pristine skies here above Prescott.
And they are pristine, for sure. Pristine Prescott.
Now, as you come by, get your camera ready. This is going to be a beautiful chance to take some pictures.
I love it. He's doing the angle so you can catch it.
Yawing back and forth while maintaining level flight, keeping the wings level. Bill Stein, ladies and gentlemen.